Hello guys, this is me Hari Bhattrai from Libreath SEO. I'm here with another new video. Today I'm going to talk about 5 AI tool you should be using. Okay, so let's quickly jump into these tools. This tool will definitely help you on your workflow. So the first tool I'm talking about is Mokker AI. Okay, what this tool does is you can create a background image. It can replace the background image and let you download this image. Okay, so I'm going to quickly sign up here. Okay, so I've already signed up for that website. So upload a product image. I'm going to upload the product image, and here I will push that image in here. Let's see, it's rendering now. Okay, so see guys, I have uploaded camera image was only this. Okay, so that's one tool. So another tool is, I think you might have already installed in your laptops. I think most of the guys who are tech conscious, after the launch of ChatGPT, lots of tools are online. Okay, lots of APIs. Okay, so what you need to install is, you need to install AIPRM for ChatGPT. Okay, what you can do is go to the web store, and actually I have already installed it, but you can type AIPRM for ChatGPT. I think by now you already know it. Lots of users in here. What it can do is, when you open ChatGPT here, it will show you lots of things you can do with this extension. Okay, so outrank the article. Okay, human written, uniquely optimized, keyword strategy, mid journey prompt generator, lots of things in here. About 1674 prompts are available here. So this is updated constantly guys. Like people like these, all these people are uploading the unique sort of a tool that are giving you. These tools are basically the prompts they have used it, they have integrated into the chat gpt and made a whole extension where you can click on that box and simply make a keyword strategy. Let's test keyword strategy. Okay, my keyword is SEO. Okay, so what it will show you is, it will make you a table where it lists all those keywords here, and with a search intent and title and meta description, all sort of information you can easily extract from it. Actually, it's helpful when you are doing SEO. Okay, other than content generation, you can at least use to make a strategy. So this is very powerful tool. Okay, so stop generating. Okay, I'll refresh it once again, and I'll walk through some of my favorite. Okay, so here is PRSO, and my favorite is another one, the buyer's persona legend, or this one. Okay, most of the time people are not aware of their audience and where to target, so it's often helps when you like, what does the business sell? It's clear from here, what does your business sell and where are your clients. Let's just say my business sell SEO service and they are in Nepal. Okay, when you type that, it will show you whole sort of a buyer's persona. Okay, this will show you the like demo graphics of the persona, like Sriya Karki. So it's a Nepali name. It identifies the Nepali name, is the business owner, annual income, married. Okay, user description is also there, psychographics is also there, personal characteristic, hobbies, interest, and needs and dreams. So when you are presenting a SEO plan, or when you are targeting for Facebook ad or Google ad, also when you are doing SEO, most of the time, to know the audience, this helps. Okay, definitely helps to create a user persona, and based on that you make a completely custom strategy. So it is often handy, you can use it. So one of my favorite is that, and another is I mean, obviously, you might be aware of these tools, and most of the SEO guys are aware of this tool. You can create a YouTube script, Instagram carousel, okay, outrank article. Okay, so there's a one-click blog to one click. Okay, see, your one click blog post where you can type, let's say, SEO. So when I type SEO, it will generate a whole article with the top level keywords. You do not have to do keyword research as well. Okay, so it will completely outline all information on SEO and write a complete blog on that. Okay, it's actually helpful. Okay, you can use it, but obviously have a human implementation on it. But most of the time it's generic. But I'm not saying you cannot use it, you use it, but for the SEO you need to have properly optimized blog post, okay, not like a generic words, so it's easier to outbeat those generic. Another tool I was talking about is GPT summarizer tool. So what you can do is go to extension and simply go to the web store and type, it will summarize there. Okay, let's see, it's loading, guys. So this is the tool, okay. So you can easily install this tool and have a YouTube summarization on the single, but I use most of the time this also works because I mean these people have uploaded this as a extension. Obviously anybody can create an extension, but my favorite one is like Glasp YouTube summary. It's loading, guys. Okay, so and let's see if we integrate on this Chrome extension. Okay, it's now here. Now what you need to do is go to YouTube video. Okay, okay, let's see. SEO podcast, let's see. Okay, so here the from search engine dollar, if you want to have a transcript of this whole YouTube video, you don't need to watch it all you get is whole transcript is here. You can simply copy it and simply paste it on your doc and go through it all those steps. And what this tool does is it will simply summarize the overall like a 52 minutes long whole podcast into a simplified version. Okay, what you can do is simply click on this ChatGPT and it will summarize all those for you. See, another one is I often without installing this tool, I would do earlier is you for summarizing the overall uh, video, you don't need to actually install the extension. But what you can do is it will do the job, but for the summarization purpose ChatGPT often helps. But also it will already show you, the YouTube will already show you the transcription from here by default. Okay, so you can easily copy it. So another tool I'm talking about is Lex. Okay, so earlier, guys, I've talked about Notion AI before, but what this tool does is simply, this is the cleanest tool I have used. Like, it has got all the document aesthetic. It's similar to Google Docs, but what it can do is it is into the ChatGPT is integrated on this overall tool. And what you can do is simply, if I have to write, what you can do is, let's say. SEO. If I type SEO here, yeah, and if I click first draft, okay, so I'm going to write a blog. Okay, so what is this topic? I will type SEO and it will generate a overall draft for you. See, guys, with a one click you can easily make a draft. Okay, so see, choose a keyword, content and heading, conclusion, all sort of stuff is there. Okay, so another thing is, if we want to outline, I mean, if you have to generate an outline, it will do that for you. Okay, so other, you can click on it, what does the text say, and generate the outline, it will give you the outline. Okay, so simple as that. And topics to cover, if you have an announcement to make, you can easily do that. So story, you can easily do that. Okay, okay, so another tool is I am going to use is, okay, the ultimate tool. Okay, ultimate toolbar GPT. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the tool, guys, we're talking about. So if we integrate this into the Chrome extension, what it will do is simply go to ChatGPT and see, guys. So AIPRM just shows these boxes and all, and you can go through all that. But what this tool does is, you need like, if you need a tone, okay, if you have to change the tone, if you want to write on a informative, formal, professional, neutral tone, you can easily choose the tone here. And you don't need to have or write a custom prompt for that. Okay, so length of the article, you can easily give that. So dig deeper, if you want to clarify stuff and critique, it will do that. So all these things are pre-built and you easily export it. So these are my one of the favorite tools that I often use to enhance my productivity. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I will upload another video on the new tool. Okay, till then, stay tuned. Thank you.